Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, so I want to start this new series called Pulling Back the Curtain, where I'm going into everything that we have put into the Exercise for Life membership. And so I want to kind of pull back the curtain and show you the different pieces that are within the Exercise for Life membership. And really where I want to start today is kind of with one of our flagship products called the MAS Home Workouts Program. What a lot of people don't really know about the MAS Home Workouts Program is, we did it during the shutdown period, but we actually started all those broadcasts before we shut down as a business. We started it when gyms in New York and when gyms in California, and we saw gyms all over the country having to shut down, and we thought, we are out here every single week on our podcast and, every day on social media telling people that they need to exercise. And now they're not able to exercise. They don't have, a reliable option to exercise, even though our business was still open at the time, even though we were still able to see clients at the time. So you know what? For people that can't get to the gym, for people that are not wanting to go to the gym in our local area, or feeling stressed about going to the gym, or stressed about everything that's going on, let's start these free live workouts. And our initial plan was just to do them for the 7 to maybe 10 days or whatever, and then everything was gonna pass, right? Like that was the idea. And then so we started in, and 3 days into them, we found out that we were going to have to shut down. And so it became something that was, started from like, hey, let's start by making sure that everybody else everywhere else in the country where their gyms are shutting down, they still have a way to exercise. Then it became like, okay, cool, like now we really need to be there for our community, for our clients, for everybody in our circle, to make sure that everybody has a way to exercise. And so for 75 days in a row, we did these broadcasts. I know many of you were there with us live during these broadcasts right from our living room. You were doing them from your living room. And once everything reopened, and after 75 days in a row of doing them, then we actually turned those into was now the MAS Home Workouts Program. And so within the Exercise for Life membership, this is the first thing that's included is the MAS Home Workouts Program. So I just kind of want to pull back the curtain on that today and show you everything that is included within the MAS Home Workouts Program. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my camera around here, and I'll show you real quick that when you go to log in, first you go to exerciseforlifestudios.com, and then you just click login. Okay, what's going to happen is you'll go to a login page where you enter your email, and then you'll be sent a link where from there you can enter in to kind of what's called like the customer center or whatever, right? Or like your portal where you have all the stuff. So the MAS Home Workouts Program is going to be one of the very first things that you see. So you can click right on the MAS Home Workouts Program, and then we have it all divided up, okay? So like I said, we did this 75 days in a row. You can work through the entire program with us, day 1 through day 75 if you'd like, okay? We have like day 1 through 5, 6 through 12, 13 through 19, okay? We have them all broken up. So we did the first 5 days, and then after those first 5 days, we realized, oh, this is gonna be a lot longer than just, like 5 to 10 days. So then we started chunking things off weeks at a time. And of course, the stay-at-home period just kept going longer and longer and longer. And so it ended up being 75 days in a row that we did this. But what's cool is you can say, all right, well, let's start at the beginning. We'll go, day 1 through day 5. You can click there, and then you're just pulled up, okay, day 1. We're going to get a resistance training workout, and look, we're right in our living room. Now, what's funny is originally, again, if you were with us originally, day 1 and day 2, they were done at our studio. But what we didn't know at the time is that we couldn't be playing music in the background. So we were playing music in the background, and that was against Facebook's rules, and so it muted a lot of those workouts. So actually what Julie and I did is we re-recorded these in our living room, still during the stay-at-home period, but without the music, okay? And so then once day 3 came around, we did that. That was a Friday morning. We did that right in our living room as well. This was the first one that we had done actually at home. So you can kind of see like the camera angle here versus so that camera angle versus like that camera angle. This was after doing it for a while and realized, oh wait, there's a much better camera angle. So we kind of had, these initially, and then you can get your all your resistance training. And then anyway, so that's the first thing that you get is, again, the MAS Home Program. You get the full program day 1 through day 75. Now, what's cool about this is, like, let's say here, you're going through, there are going to be certain days that are like cardio, and then we do a resistance training workout, okay? Day 28, just resistance training. Day 29 is resistance training and recovery workout, plus a mobility workshop for the hips and knees. So what we're seeing is there were these patterns that kept coming up as far as like how we would work through the week and how we would work with things. So as we put together the MAS Home Workouts program, we decided, well, you know what, we can go day 1 through 75, but we also want to break things down into like just the resistance training workouts. So then what we did is, again, day 1 through day 75, all the resistance training workouts, we kind of edited everything. So then it was only the resistance training. So if you just want resistance training, and there are going to be some recovery ones thrown in there, but if you just want resistance training, then all you do is you go MAS and resistance training workouts. Click there and it'll take you, these are only resistance training workouts now, okay? But like I said, we also did more than just resistance training. We had cardio workouts. So you can go MAS and say, hey, I just want the cardio workouts from the MAS Home Workouts program. Now, there weren't 75 of these, but there were a whole bunch. So we did 19 cardio workouts over the course of the 75 days to say, hey, here are the first 3 cardio workouts that we did. And again, broken down: cardio workout 1, cardio workout 2, cardio workout 3. And you can, all you do is you click play, and this is accessible from your phone. It's accessible from obviously your computer, your tablet, wherever you're going to watch this, but it's all right there. And we're doing them with you, and you can broadcast it onto your TV and just do it live with us there, okay? So we have the full days 1 through 75. We have resistance training workouts. Cardio workouts are broken up. We also, like I said, have those mobility workshops, all right? These are great if you're feeling like your body is starting to feel like stiff, tight, achy, and you want a little bit more focused attention on certain areas of your body. So we have 12 mobility workshops that we work you through, okay? Or that we bring you through that you will be able to get access to, okay? And so this is like a total body one, from essentially like your shoulders all the way through your knees, doing motions front to back. Here's one total body where you're twisting. Here's one side to side, okay? And so again, we do these with you. Like, I think this is one that was done right in our studio, or our old studio, because there wasn't any music playing. We were able to get the footage from this, whereas other ones we were not able to get the footage from during those first 2 days because the music was playing. Then, so you have your mobility workshops and recovery workouts. All right, now these are really good for the days when you wake up and you're feeling a little bit achy, you're feeling a little bit beat up, and you're like, I know that I should exercise, but my body's just not feeling 100% right now, okay? And so again, we have 20 recovery workouts. So what's cool about this, again, you can just, mark your progress as you go through, figure out which recovery workouts you want to do. And then again, you can just click play right there and it'll pull it right up. And once we get through our little intro, then we are there doing the recovery workout with you, all in real time. Again, we're doing these from our living room while you're doing them from your living room. So that's just a little bit of like behind the scenes of everything that's within the MAS Home Workouts program. Again, you get the full day 1 through day 75. You get the resistance training workouts. You get the cardio workouts, the mobility workshops, and the recovery workouts, okay? And I mean, you do look at this, all right, there's 75 workouts here, there's 75 workouts here, 19 cardio workouts, 12 mobility workshops, 20 recovery workouts. Like, that's a whole bunch of workouts, and that's just one part of the Exercise for Life membership. Okay, so today we pulled back the curtain on the Exercise for Life on the MAS Home Workouts program within the Exercise for Life membership. Tomorrow we're going to start pulling back the curtain on some of the premium programs, and then we'll go into the premium courses, and also talk about the One Workout Away Challenge. But all this is available again within the Exercise for Life membership program. All you have to do to get signed up for it is you just go to exerciseforlifestudios.com and you can click on membership, or www.exerciseforlifestudios.com/membership, and it'll take you right here. You can get signed up, fill out your information. There's a stretching program that you can get if you'd like. But it's all right there. Again, you just click membership. It'll take you right there, www.exerciseforlifestudios.com. All right, so again, we pulled back the curtain today on the MAS Home Workouts program. Let me flip this back around. Tomorrow, we're going to start going into the premium workouts programs. There are like 13 premium workouts programs right now. We're going to be continuing to add to those as well. We have 6 premium courses. We have plans to add to those as well. And so all of that is included within the Exercise for Life membership. So anyways, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what you will get within that program. We're going to come back and talking about the premium programs tomorrow. So have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll talk to you then.